Hi, this is Keigh-Cee from the Carol A. Tate Teaching and Learning Center. In this video, I'm going to talk to you about what the Teaching and Learning Center, or TLC, is and how you can use us this semester. We offer free tutoring and academic support for all SMC students. This semester, we're only offering online tutoring just because we generally work with students pretty closely, but we hope to be open for in-person tutoring again in the near future. We employ about 30 peer and professional learning consultants, also known as tutors. Many of our peer tutors are students just like you who are doing well in their courses and wanted to help other students. And a lot of our professionals are actually SMC alumni, and they just loved it so much that they never left. We can help with almost every class on campus. Our most popular courses are math, writing and English courses, nursing, business, accounting, and more. We can also help with resumes, cover letters, Moodle, study skills, and really whatever else you need help with. Using the TLC is pretty easy. You can make your appointments online using our online scheduler called Academia. You can find that under Student Resources in Wired. Just click on Teaching and Learning Center. The scheduler is mobile friendly and very easy to use. Also on our page in Wired, you can find our YouTube channel and our new tutor bios to get to know us before you work with us. Most of our appointments happen via Zoom. Some of them might happen in a different platform, but just click on the link in your confirmation email or in the email that your learning consultant sends you, and we'll take care of the rest. We may use GoBoard for math or science, but if we use something other than Zoom, we'll be sure to let you know ahead of time. You can also chat with us on our Discord server. There's an invite link on Wired or in Academia. You can just create an account if you don't have one already and chat with us wherever you are. You can get help with quick questions, help with making an appointment, and more. Some tips for a great online session. We do ask that you use a computer with a mic and a webcam and arrive on time with everything you need ready to go. Try to eliminate distractions around you and close unused windows and tabs to free up some bandwidth to make sure we can see and hear you the whole time. Have questions in mind before we get started, and don't forget to take notes while you work. You may not remember everything when we're done. Find us under Student Resources in Wired. Just click on Student Resources and then we're the last option. On that page, you can find our contact information, our hours, our YouTube channel, how to make an appointment, and more. Our hours for the fall semester are Monday through Thursday from 8 a.m. to 9 p.m. and Fridays from 8 to 5. If you need anything, please reach out to us. You can either chat with us on Discord or you can email us at tutoring@swmich.edu. Don't forget, you can subscribe to our YouTube channel and you can get helpful videos with math, writing, study skills, technology, and more. We're adding new videos all the time. So click that subscribe button and you'll get notified when we add something. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and we hope to see you soon.